Hello guys, in this video we're going to solve most common error that shows up during a Windows installation. On your screen you can see the error. We couldn't find any drivers. To get a storage driver, click Load Driver. This issue commonly appears when installing Windows on laptops or desktop computer, especially those using Intel 10th generation or later processors. The root cause of this error is Windows missing the required Intel Rapid Storage Technology driver needed to detect your storage device. To fix this, you'll need to temporarily remove the bootable USB from the system and connect it to a working computer. From there, we'll download and transfer the necessary Intel driver. I'll walk you through two quick and easy methods to get past this error and continue with your installation, step by step. First, open your browser, and in the search bar, type Intel Rapid Storage Technology. Click on the official Intel website link from the results. You'll find different versions of the driver available. Some are specifically for 10th and 11th gen processors, while others support up to 13th gen. Don't worry, I've added both download links in the description below, so you can go straight to the one that matches your system. Make sure to check your CPU generation before downloading. Once you've identified the correct version, scroll down and click the download button, and then accept the terms and conditions. It will start downloading the file. After download finish, open File Explorer, then go to Download folder. Now that we have the setup file, we need to extract it. First, right-click on the file, copy it, and paste it into your C drive. To keep things organized, let's create a new folder. I'll name it Rapid. You can choose any name you like. Paste the setup file into this new folder. Next, we'll use PowerShell to extract the driver files. Make sure to plug in your USB drive at this point, since we'll be extracting the files directly to it. In Windows search bar, type PowerShell and run as administrator. Then copy the folder path from here. Open PowerShell window, type CD, and paste the folder path here and press enter. So we are in current directory of Rapid folder, so we need to extract the setup file. Now we'll run the extraction command. So type this command /setup_rst.exe space -extract drivers, then location of your USB drive where we will extract all the files. My USB drive is F, so we will extract it into this drive. Type F://RST, replace F with the path of your USB drive and press enter. After running the command, a pop-up of Intel Rapid Technology will appear and the driver files will be extracted into USB drive. Once the extraction is complete, you'll find the RST folder on your USB drive. Now go ahead and plug the USB drive into the computer where you're trying to install Windows. During the installation process, when you see the message saying, "We couldn't find any drives," click on Load Driver, then select Browse, navigate to your USB flash drive, select the RST folder, and click OK. Since I'm demonstrating this on a virtual machine that doesn't require the Intel RST driver, so I won't see the exact same screen error, but on your system, you should now see the Intel driver appear. Select it and install it. Once the driver is installed, your storage drive should show up and you can proceed with the Windows installation as normal. If you're still unable to detect your drive and the Intel RST driver didn't work, don't worry, there's another method you can try. If you're using a desktop, go to the Windows search bar, type System Information and open it. Look for the baseboard manufacturer and baseboard product model. This will show you the board maker and model of your motherboard. If you're on a laptop, simply note down your laptop's full model number, usually found on a sticker or in system settings. Next, head over to Google and search your motherboard model or laptop model. For example, I'm using a Dell XPS 13 laptop, so I'll search for Dell XPS 13 drivers and look for the Intel Rapid Storage Technology driver specific to that model. Go to the official manufacturer's website, navigate to the support or driver section, and look under the storage category. You may find the driver listed as Intel Rapid Storage Technology, SATA, or RAID. The name might vary slightly depending on your device or model. Once you locate the correct driver, go ahead and download it. Open the folder where you downloaded the driver, locate the driver file, and extract its contents to your USB flash drive. After extraction, you should see a folder named Drivers. Now, plug the USB flash drive into the system where you're installing Windows. When prompted, click Load Driver, browse to the drivers folder on your USB, and select it. This will load the Intel Rapid Storage Technology driver and should resolve the issue. I hope this guide helped you get past the "we couldn't find any drivers" error during your Windows installation. These types of issues can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to set up a new system. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Byte Geek for more step-by-step troubleshooting guides and tech tips to make your computing life easier. If you know someone else struggling with the same issue, feel free to share this video with them too. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next video.